If you're going to be building boxes like this one for a Blum Tandem drawer runners, then there are some essential items that I think would be pretty important for you to have available, just to make your life a little bit easier. One of them is a drilling template that's used to drill the holes to mount the locking devices like the one you see here. In fact, it's for all the locking devices, for the tandem drawer slide and for the Movento as well. So here's the drilling jig that I think is an essential item for you. So you order it in a box and this is what you get. Now the holes that you see here are for the various front locking devices on the tandem. So you would set it here and then use your drill to drill into those holes. Same thing over here. So you can pre-drill for the locking devices on the front of the drawer box. Now this is of course the bottom of the drawer box, and you have this 1/2 inch thing. So here's the drilling template. Then you also need to order this tool set for your drilling. This gives you an extension, a couple of Allen wrenches, a stop collar, and a Phillips tip drill bit or driver. That's an item that you need to order to simplify your life. And then a couple of bits. Here's a 2.5 millimeter bit. This 2.5 millimeter bit fits in this right here to make it a lot easier to drill these holes here. So that's a really nice deal. So you buy this little tool kit, and then these two bits. This is the 2.5 millimeter bit, and then there's a 6 millimeter bit. Well, the 6 millimeter bit, this one here, is used because the template has two uses. The other use is to locate the hole in the back of your drawer box for the hook that's on the back of the tandem or Movento drawer slide. So that's then you use your 6 millimeter bit to drill that hole. So there are some accessories that I would say these are very important items to have on hand when you start building drawer boxes for the tandem or the Movento drawer slide.